Hi, my name is Roberto Rivera, and I'm a senior consultant with Pricing Solutions. I'm excited to be part, once again, of the Professional Pricing Society's Spring Conference in Chicago. This time, I'm going to be sharing a topic of digital pricing transformation. As we know, digital transformation is a big trend right now. Companies are investing a lot of time, resources, money building out their digital capabilities. And we really think that pricing and value capture thinking should be embedded in that process. We're going to share examples of different companies and organizations at different stages of their digital transformation journey. And our goal is for you to walk away with a few key concepts and frameworks that you can use to support your organization. We look forward to seeing you in person after a couple of years of virtual meetings. And thank you.